Hello everyone, welcome to another FIFA tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to add friends in FIFA Mobile. Now I'll also show you how to add friends in FIFA on your PC and Xbox as well. So if you want to see that, you can stick by the end of this video. As you can see, the way to add a friend or access the friends menu, and the first step is to access the friends menu in FIFA Mobile. So to do this, you need to open the game on your mobile device and navigate to the main menu. From here, you need to look for the friends icon or tab. Now this will be different for each FIFA game. For example, right now we have EA FC 24, so it's a really new FIFA game, but usually it's located at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the main menu, you will have friends at the bottom of the screen. Once you find the friends menu, you can click on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you have accessed the friends menu, it's time to send some friend requests. Now in these steps, you can search for your friends by their in-game username. So nothing else, just their in-game username. From here, you can connect with them through social media platforms or just go look for the add friend or send request button and click on it. That's pretty much it. You'll be prompted to enter your friend's username. Now, when it comes to doing this on your Xbox, PlayStation, for example, on PlayStation, you simply head to the Friends tab, you will see it, and then you insert your friend's online ID or name in the search box, and then you will add them. Or on Xbox, you need to open up the side menu and head to the People's tab, and then press Find Someone. So either it's going to be called People's tab or Friends tab. This is pretty much the same. And then on PC, just follow the below, sign into Origin, click Friends, and then add a friend, and then search for friends with the real name, email, or EA account ID. So that's pretty much how to add friends in FIFA Mobile. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.